Jonah, do you have the hiccups? Alright, let's look at your sister. What are you doing today? There you are. You still got the hiccups. There's Daddy. And here's Mommy. I think it's finally showing up.
Oh, Mommy.